Hello student, I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, ACS, Bhavdan, Pune. In last lecture, part 1, we seen some advertising media. In this lecture, we are going to continuation in same phrase of advertising media in second lectures. In last lecture, we learn about the advertising, its definition, some indoor-outdoor advertising media like radio, newspaper, televisions, magazines, etc. Now we learn the film advertising. It is the medium of publicity characterized by sound, motion, colors, visions, and timeliness. It is like a television run on the enlarged screen for the large audience. So, other hand, we can see called as a television advertisement, but there is some certain change. It will introduce delivered on the larger scale in the theater. It's also having some advantages. Let's see about the advantages of the film advertising. It's ensure a captive audience. It is deal for inch marketing. Through this medium, the advertiser can be segment specific market specific rights down to a particular district, city, or even a theater. Advertising in cinema is economically. This type of advertisement is economical and having the captive audience. As per the city, in the theater, advertiser can specific the advertising particulars and information on the screen for the captive audience. There is some disadvantages. We can call as a limitations. Within that, limited coverage. Yes, it is a limited coverage for the captive audience only. It will not react as newspaper, magazines, television, and radio advertisement. It is resentment of the from the viewers, and it is a costly. Yes, but obvious it is costly than newspaper and magazines. Let's we start for learning about the outdoor advertising. It is the oldest form of advertising. It is also known as a positions, murals, or indirect advertising. Outdoor advertising is literally outdoor. That is, it is out of the home or place of a business. It is seen when people are out of doors. Purchased from outdoor advertising companies in standard size are placed in highly traveled roads and freeway freeway where there is a highly visibility for the advertisement. In that, posters, printed display, or metal display are included, as well as a wall painting. In poster, pre-printed sheets put up like a wallpaper on outdoor billboards. Painted display or metal display, this can be displayed for a very long time. They can bear climate effects. Wall painting. Wall painting are found in cities, towns, and even villages also. The surface can be hard. In this slide, we are seeing some pictures for the posters, for the painted display, and wall paintings. Another elements of outdoor advertisement is electric lights, nanoscience. Signboard illuminated by the electricity can be seen in the large number of cities. They can be presented with attractive letters and colored bulbs. Neon sign advertisement is also presented with the brightly tubes in various shades. Traveling display. It is also known as a transit advertising. Sky writing. Message can be written on balloons which are floated in the air. Sandwich man. Sandwich man can carry up funnily and carry upwards. In this slide, we are getting the examples of electric light advertisement, traveling displays on the bus vehicles, skywriting on the balloons. Sandwich man, here we are getting the reflections of the medium and their exact pictures. So it will be the outdoor advertisement. Let's see the advantages of the outdoor advertisement. The outdoor medium offers longevity. It's offer geographical selectivity, different messages in every region and every locality. It can incorporate the name and addresses of his local dealers or agents at the bottom of the posters or painted display. This medium offers an attractive display of the product, trademarks, and slogans. It attracts the attention of the people when they are outdoor. These are the some advantages of the outdoor advertisement. It is the good medium that you use for the advertising. You can approach it as per the regional geographical conditions. It mediums offer the attractive display. It will shows the slogans, logos, dealer informations, agent information, and etc. Some disadvantages of the outdoor advertising. This media has to be a brief. It supplements some other media. Yes, it is so descriptive and it will get the help of other media also. It's a non-selective of a particular types of audience. So it will be not go for the capture audience or selected audience. This media when employed on a basis is relatively expensive. We seen a burger man. Over there, you supposed to be spend a money, or company supposed to be spend a money on the particular person. Those are advertising, and for the information of the particular product, you supposed to be spend money on the informatic information on the poster. So in one advertisement, you supposed to be spend for the money for the posters and delivery boy. That is begin expensive. It is difficult to measure the effectiveness of this media. Yes, we cannot effectively measures the reflections or impact of the media on the crowd, customers, and markets. Let's see about the broadcast media. Direct advertising is a very comprehensive phrase covering all the forms of printed advertising delivered directly to the prospective customers. It is oldest way of reaching a prospect or customers. So broadcast media is the oldest form of the advertisement. In the broadcast media, we'll see postcard, envelope enclosures, both sides. In poster card, we all are familiar with the post and postcards. Postcards are used to carry a brief message about the product. Envelope enclosures, we normally means a paper that is enclosed or attached to the main letter. We are just familiar with this envelope enclosure media when we are receiving any acknowledgement or any bills of credit card from the banks. So there is a particular one first paper that having the attachment of other informatic papers, that is called as a envelope enclosures. Broadsides, these are giant size folders. These are designed to impress customers by their size, attractive colors, and illustration. Yes, in broadside media, the large envelope or folders are introduced that carrying some message of company, having a good design to impress the customers and do the illustration on the customer's mind. Let's see about the catalogs and booklets. These are the illustrative price list containing the price and the features of the product. These are sent to a business buyer and the customer who inquires about the goods. Booklets are sent to usually bulk purchase. When anyone purchasing a goods in a bulk, the company send them some booklets regarding information, features, and other relative aspect of the particular product or company's other products. So it will help to the customers or consumers to know the functionality of the product. Sales letter. Sales letter are sent to induce the potential customers to buy a particular product. Their main objective is to assure interest and create desire about the product. Gift novelties, gift advertising, and specialty advertising is the medium that employs useful articles known as advertising, specialty, or gift novelty that are the imprinted with the name and address and the sales message of the advertiser. These act as goodwill gift or remember to the customer about the product. Package interest. These are small leaflet to encourage the repeated purchase of the allied product. So whenever you will get the leaflet or seen the leaflet, automatically it will encourage you to buy the product repeatedly or purchase the product again. The last one is store publications. A store publication is a house, organ, or Valent or magazine. These company magazines are sent to wholesalers, retailers, salesmen, and prospective customers in free of cost. The main objective behind that a house organ is to increase the sales of the company's goods by applying appealing to the customers. So it will be the more informatic. It will help to the wholesaler, retailer, or salesman or customers to know the features, know the appearance, know the exactly what product are introduced or purpose of the product in the store publications. Let's see some advantages of direct advertising media. It is highly sensitive. Through the use of this media, the advertiser can select exactly which particular target audience he wishes to reach out to. Personal touch. Always for a personal touch, especially sales letter, they can be directly addressed to the particular person. Deep impact. The recipient receive these mailers at homes. Measurement of effectiveness, in which some kind of a definite measurement of the effectiveness of the message can be done. Disadvantages of the direct advertising media. It's highly costly. Low reader interest. Again, as per the low reader interest in the newspaper, here we also get the same thing, low reader interest in the medium. One's spatial skills. It's not reflect the some spatial skills and attraction to the customers. Display advertising media. This media, also known as a pop-up, that is point of purchase advertising. It is more a promotional medium that advertising. It has their three dimensions, namely display, showroom, showcase and exhibitions. Display, within that windows display and counter display included. Showrooms, we are all are familiar with the showrooms. Trade show and exhibition and affairs. Over there you will get the practically seen the product and their functionality. The another aspect of the advertising media is the selection of a media. What type of factors affecting while we are going for the selection of a media? Let's see about the nature of the product. The nature of the product determines the media to be used. If the product is such that it is used by one and all, then mass media like print, broadcast, and outdoor will be used. Potential market. The choice of a media also depends upon the characteristic of the target audience. The type of the distribution strategy. There is a direct correlation between the advertising and distribution strategy of the company to match its distribution strategy. The advertising objectives. For what objective you are introducing the advertising for a particular product, you're supposed to be have an idea of this. The type of selling message. What type of a message you want to share with the customer? It's supposed to be fixed. Budget. You need a budget. Competitive advertising. You also examine the competitive advertising in market. Media availability. You also examine the what type of a media is available in healthy advertisement in a market. Characteristic of media. Yes, but obvious. Coverage, reaches, relative cost, consumer confidence, and frequency. It is more important to select the factors or select the media that affecting the factors for selecting the media. Above points should be considered and that media should be chosen within suits that need of the advertiser as well as gives him the maximum for every rupees spent on the advertising. It will decide the maximization of the spent cost for the particular advertisement. Which factor has to be considered in the selecting the right media? These are some factors that helps to you to selecting a right media for the advertisement. First one, objective of the advertisement. You have to specify the objective of the advertisement, nature of the product, nature and size of market. You also examine the nature and size of the market. Type of audience, which type of audience you people are having for the particular product that you're supposed to be introducing in market. Type of a selling unit, requirement of a messages, time, place, buying decision, cost of a media, frequency of advertising, characteristic of media, media used by competitor, image and popularity of media. When you are selecting the media, you're supposed to be get in touch with the how popular particular media among the audience or market. Promotional ads offers of by the media. You're supposed to spread some ads offers on the product through the media. Thank you student for watching my video. In this video lecture, we segment part 1 and part 2. In particular, part 2 section, we learn about the outdoor advertisement, what factors are affecting the media, which type of a factor should be considered while selecting the good media for particular product advertisement. Thank you so much for listening and watching my lecture.